Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox iPhone 13 Pro Max. This one is graphite color. Later on we'll also unbox the gold one. Here how the box looks like. Inside the box we have a phone, cable, lightning to USB-C. So you need a 18 or 20 watt power adapter and manual. So it does not come with a power adapter with earphones, just the cable. And let's take a quick look at the phone. The design is pretty much the same as in the last year model. Same as 12 Pro Max. Cameras are a little bit thicker. This is graphite color. I think this one is the best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.